Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare Mysore Bhel Puri. This is an excellent and flavorful snack item. It has got wonderful flavors from rasam powder. It's a unique Bhel Puri that you can get to taste in Mysore. So today I'm going to show you how to prepare it at home. All the ingredients are prepped and reserved. I'll be using puffed rice or puri. I've prepped up all the ingredients and reserved. Finely chopped tomato, finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped onion, grated carrots, finely chopped spring onion, finely chopped coriander, boiled, peeled and crumbled potato, half a lime is what we require. We would also require chaat masala powder, rasam powder. I've already shown you how to prepare date and tamarind chutney. The link will be in the description box below this video. I've posted a detailed video on that. You can either use papadis or I'll be using nippat here. Some oma podi, save that is, and roasted and salted peanuts. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe. Along with this recipe there are other recipes also posted on my blog. So in a mixing bowl I'm going to start mixing all the veggies first. I've added the finely chopped onion, finely chopped cucumber, grated carrots, finely chopped tomato, finely chopped spring onion, coriander, and you can also add a little bit of chilies if you like that extra heat. So while you're chopping your tomato and cucumber, try to remove all the seeds and chop it into fine pieces. Otherwise, when you add salt, it might release a lot of water. So I've added the tamarind chutney, chaat masala and rasam powder. I'm also going to add salt. While you're adding salt, make sure you're checking the salt level and you're going to add it, because I've added the ready-made spice powders here and I've also added the chutney. All the three ingredients contain salt in it, and even the salted peanuts I'm adding, so you'll just have to check and add salt to how much you need. We can always adjust the salt later, but don't add excess salt. Now I've crumbled and added the nippat, or you can use papadis for this. I've posted a detailed recipe how to prepare papdi as well. All the links will be in the description box below this video. I've added lime juice. I'm going to mix all the ingredients. You can prepare this masala in bulk and prepare the bhel as required. So I'm preparing roughly about 3 cups of bhel puri for this recipe. So I've added the puffed rice and I'm going to combine it. Mix it thoroughly and serve it up. The recipe in detail is on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below this video. All the links to my social media will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and garnished my Mysore Bhel Puri with finely chopped cucumber, onions, grated carrots, coriander, little bit of save and the salted peanuts, and I've also served it with the nippat. It tasted excellent. Do give this recipe a try, and if you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.